They treat me like a son anywhere I go, and even though no one can tell, I still feel that I'm alone. I'm alone. I'm alone. I'm alone. Leave me stranded, I know how to handle it all on my own.
Well, hello. You join us on the 11th of February 2026. It's been a little while. This video may or may not go up before we finish the videos from our big trip. If it goes up before, I hope you're enjoying the videos of the big trip. If it goes up after, I hope you enjoyed the videos of the big trip. So today, we're not doing anything as exciting as going to anywhere in continental Europe. We're going to Wigan. We're going to Wigan for two principal reasons and a half. The half is nice and easy because we're getting stir crazy sitting in the house, even though we are decorating and boring. Anyway, we're going to Wigan to get us out the house. We're also going to Wigan to see some people. If you are avid YouTubers and interested in motorhome type content, then there are two people you may already follow: Unadventurous Mandy and Gadget John's Adventures. And they have started a new business in just outside Wigan called How Hub, which takes me back to that program. You remember the program? How? I think it's Homes on Wheels or Homes on Water, although I think it'd be quite difficult to get a barge in. So we're going to go and see them, an appointment booked with them tomorrow, and there's some jobs that need doing on Claude, and we're just looking for a little bit of advice, hopefully an arm around the shoulder. There, you're doing it all right, or I wouldn't do it like that. So we'll see. Well, also, importantly and excitingly, Wigan seems to be a bit of a gluten-free capital. We've found a fish and chip shop that has an entirely gluten-free menu.
Very excited.
We've found the Crunch Bakehouse, which is a gluten-free bakery.
Because you can't go to Wigan and not have pie.
So hopefully tonight we're going to have fish and chips or something with chips, or was it battered sausage and chips you wanted?
Battered sausage.
You can't beat a battered sausage. And then tomorrow morning, before we go and see John and Mandy at How Hub, we're going to go and have a look at the Crunch Bakehouse and probably have a cake. In the meantime, we've got an hour of the M6. When I looked at it last night, it was 24 minutes. It's now 10 to 3 in the afternoon and it's an hour. So that'll be fun. Well, we've arrived. We are at Wood Farm, or Beacon Fishing Lake, which is at Appley Bridge, and it's £10 for the night. It's on Search for Sites. There's toilets, and but there's no other facilities. You can get water for a small charge. It's a perfectly serviceable car park. I'm going off in search of toilets. Payment is via QR code, which is just here.
That was delicious. Excuse me while I slip into a food coma. Oh my goodness. Yum! Didn't manage to finish everything. Well, I didn't anyway. But it was so good. So nice to have chips. So nice to have chippy tea.
Kit Green Chip Shop, just outside Wigan. Very, very good.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you, Kit Green Chippy.
Really peaceful night, except for that bird. It's very noisy. So we start the morning with our morning prep. It's currently 5 degrees. So it was clearly warmer in the van than it was on the windscreen. There we are. We can see out again. And now it's time to go and find a gluten-free bakehouse for breakfast.
Which ones we need and stuff. So we wanted one of these.
One of those.
We'll have 2 of those.
No problem at all. Thank you. Sorry, I don't know if I'm going to make this look aesthetic for you.
Well, we've had a bit of a technical glitch. The minions have got in and they've destroyed my audio, which is a real shame because the ladies at the Crunch Bakery were lovely. They started trading in November 2025, so it's a fairly new business, really well organised. The cakes are great. We spent far too much money. Darrelle enjoyed a sausage roll, and we had a lovely chat about why they'd started and what they were doing. If you go there, and I recommend you do, it's definitely worth a trip to Wigan. If you are looking for dairy-free and gluten-free, at the moment you have to phone ahead. They do have some dairy-free, but unfortunately there was butter in all their pastry. So I couldn't have a pie, which was a bit sad. But other than that, thoroughly recommended, absolutely brilliant. And good luck to them.
You might be able to hear the sound of bacon cooking. Just back from Crunch Bakery, I got a very unhealthy breakfast. I got a sausage roll. It's absolutely delicious. I haven't tasted such a good sausage roll for years. Unfortunately, their pastry currently has butter in it, so that's why you can hear bacon cooking. He's making himself a bacon butty.
So if you are an avid YouTuber and you watch YouTube videos and you follow
Maybe someone called Gadget John Adventures,
Gadget John Adventures,
or maybe Unadventurous Mandy.
those are the 2, then you might recognise the workshop in which we are stood. And we bought Claude to see John. So here is Claude. He's been quite a good boy. Has he been a good boy?
He's well behaved.
Been very well behaved.
It's not leaked anywhere.
You haven't seen yet. So, brilliant. Thank you very much for your
Very
time
welcome.
today.
No worries at all. Are you happy with your weight? Or should I say, is Claude happy with his weight?
I think Claude's happy with his weight. I could do with losing a bit.
Yeah, me too.
So we came up to How Hub. How Hub is just outside Wigan, and that's as close as you're going to get. You can rent this space.
Indeed you can. It is 10 metres by 4 metres. You can get something that's 3.5 metres by 4 metres in here, height and width wise. And yeah, half a day is 30 quid and a full day is 50 quid.
And it's great. I don't know whether you can hear. You probably can't because the DJI mic is really good at blocking out sound, but it is persisting. Being able to work in an inside space is absolutely essential. Got some work to do on Claude after our next little break, and it will involve ripping the ceiling out and putting a new one in. So we might even do a video about that, but it won't be an instructional video because everybody else knows how to do it better.
I'd do it anyway, just to attract the interest comments of all those people that say that you did it wrong.
Yeah, well, we'll almost certainly do it wrong because that's what everybody else thinks.
Yeah.
But no, it's been superb. So we've been through a few things. We've had a few issues. We've got a new water tank to put in, so we'll be doing that. And we're going to be playing with some Van der Moon cupboards.
Yep.
So yeah, Van der Moon. I don't do promotion. We don't do
But
monetization.
if Van der Moon want to send him some...
But if you want to send me
cupboards.
some cupboards, that'd be really nice. Yeah, it's not going to work, is it?
No, they can send me some as well.
So there we are. So the plea out to Van der Moon, we'd like some cupboards, please.
There we go.
Or maybe just a discount code. So, John, it's been fabulous. It's been really nice
Thanks
to
very
meet you.
You too.
And Mandy, and the dogs. The strange thing is, you meet somebody off YouTube in real life, and funnily enough, they're just like they are on YouTube.
It's weird that, isn't it?
That's what it says on the tin.
It is that. It's just that.
That's brilliant. Thank you so much.
Cool. See you again.
Well, that's it for this short video. Thank you very much for coming along with us on this little journey. It was brilliant finding gluten-free fish and chips and that fabulous bakery, and then lovely to meet John and Mandy at How Hub. Certainly recommended all of those things, and Wigan looks like an interesting place too. So keep watching, please subscribe, stay with us. Our next journey will be exciting, I guarantee it.
They treat me like a son anywhere I go. And even though no one can tell, I still feel that I'm alone. I'm alone. I'm alone. I'm alone. Leave me stranded, I know how to handle it all.